It's Peter Hill here for the StarsTV Science channel. In the last episode we looked at evaporation with an infrared camera and saw it live in action. Evaporation is important because that's what really takes off once you start to heat up water until it eventually balances the heat in and you have boiling. But we asked you if you wanted to do your own experiment, and in this episode we look at some experiments you could do. At school you'll have access to more than one thermometer. If you have two thermometers, you can wrap a little bit of wet or moist cotton wool around one bulb and compare the two temperatures. If you're at home, you can go a little bit further. You can get small tubs of water, aftershave, oil, hand sanitizer. Put your finger in each of those, different fingers, say 5 fingers in, and then wave it around and feel which is coldest. Even better, you could get your friend, mum, sister, brother to arrange it so you don't know what's on which finger and you have to work it out, and you rank them, and then only afterwards can you tell which is coldest and be able to see by changing the variables which is evaporating the most and work things out from here. What can actually be more exciting is where you can use your knowledge of science in your experimental design. So here I've got my glass of water, and before we said dip your finger in it, shake it around and you can feel it's cold. But what I think is best is if you dip a piece of tissue in it. That's got a large surface area. I'm going to place this down, and you can wave it around. There's a few drops coming out. You can actually feel, oh, that's a little bit cold, I felt. But thinking of experimental designs, you have to ask yourself the question, are your fingers the best way of detecting temperature? And those people who have to bathe children, and it's very important that you get the temperature right if you're bathing your child, your baby, they know to use the elbow, and so you could wave it around and hit your elbow. But there is another part of the body which you can use, and you can obviously not use this while you're in a bath, but you can actually place it up here, and you can feel definitely it's much colder when you wave it around. So in summary, experiments are not just only fun, they're very important in developing your skills in experimental design, and also your inventory of knowledge which you can apply into future experiments. Things that you've learnt now you can apply in future. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, keep on doing science.